Greetings and welcome to History 105, Early Western Civilization. My name is Professor Gonzalez-Meeks and I'll be the instructor for our online course. When you have a chance, please log on to Canvas, read the course syllabus, and go through the Module 0. First off, the number associated with the history courses, 100 and 105, does not mean that 100 is easier than 105. The numbers are only associated with the historical topic. So History 100 focuses on early world history. History 101 focuses on modern world history, etc. Second, online courses are not easy. When you have a chance, complete the online readiness quiz and watch the other videos in the Module 0 on Canvas. There is a syllabus quiz, which is not graded, but it's to familiarize yourselves with taking quizzes on Canvas. If you are a DSPS student, please email me your form. Unfortunately, ESL students need to comply with the time restraints for quizzes and exams. These quizzes and exams are open book and notes, so hopefully that will assist you. There's also 2 attempts also for the quizzes, with the highest score being kept. Please maintain contact with me, your instructor, about things via email that may be hindering your work. Use my district email. You can find that on the home page as you scroll down to the very bottom, javier.gonzalezmeeks@gccc.edu. See the contact information also on the syllabus. I am a part-time instructor, and therefore the district does not pay part-timers for office hours. If you are in desperate need to contact me, please email me. If you desperately need to meet with me, we can arrange a Skype or Google Hangout. I do have a Twitter account at Javier_history, which is not affiliated with the college, and I only tweet articles that pertain to the history course. You are welcome to follow me, but do not be offended, as I will not follow you, as what you do on Saturday night is your business, and I will not troll you through social media. As you might have seen with our course syllabus, late work is not allowed. All assignments are due on their designated due date at 11 o'clock at night. The link will still be open for an extra hour just in case there's a technical issue. However, those submissions will be penalized 10%. There is a getting to know you discussion board. Please answer the questions associated with them. Please also upload an image for the avatar as well, so you are more of a human than just a name on my roster. For this course, there's no need to purchase a textbook, as I have provided a link for a free downloadable textbook, which you can retrieve on the Canvas syllabus page, as well as our homepage right here, and here's the link for that free downloadable textbook. If you need a physical book, if you need a hard physical copy, I recommend The Making of the West, Volume 1, by Lynn Hunt et al., meaning there's more than one author. There's a copy of this textbook in the reserve section of the library. Again, that textbook name is The Making of the West, Volume 1, by Lynn Hunt. There's various editions, 1st through 5th edition. It just varies on price. But I have, I think, the most updated of those books in the library right now. Again, welcome to History 105, Early Western Civilization. For this course, we're going to explore what the West means and challenge any misconceptions, either good or bad, we might have of the West. Please watch the crash course video located in the Module 0 work link in the Rise of the West and on the Rise of the West and Historical Methodology, which briefly explores how scholars have defined the West and how their method of analysis influenced their judgments. Briefly looking back at our module, as you can see, you have to complete each one in turn. You can't just speed through the entire module within one day or within an hour. You have to literally go through each one and check the box for this Module 0 introduction. Going back to the our course, the big part of our course is analyzing primary sources. This is the craft that historians use to analyze the past. Please see the Using Historical Sources PDF located in the Module 0 work link regarding primary sources. Analyzing primary sources is more than just reading comprehension, but understanding the main argument of the source, both written and verbal, who the intended audience was, pulling information that describes what is going on in the source, and how that source helps you understand the time and place from when and where it was written. There are also this also will require us to employ what is called historical empathy, meaning detaching our personal feelings, whether it's political, religious, or ethnicity, and being as objective as possible. This is hard. And even a challenge for contemporary historians, and myself as well. But this is part of our critical analysis of primary sources. With that said, at the end of the semester, you will have all sharpened your critical thinking skills, which is vital in all aspects of employment. All of you already have some critical thinking skills. We're just going to fine-tune that throughout this semester. There are also some study strategies also posted in the Module 0 work link that you can read up on to help you with this course and others. Once again, welcome to the course, History 105. The best way to contact me is through my district email, javier.gonzalez-meeks@gccc.edu, which you can find on the homepage and on the syllabus as well. Thank you.